Hey everyone, today I want to do a video about my Sliplos on my GT350R. I've had them on the car for about a year now, and I want to show how well they have held up. If you're not familiar with Sliplo, this is a universal skid plate designed to be put on any vehicle where you're concerned about the front of the car scraping. These are a very smooth rubber product, and they have an adhesive on the backside. They're also very thick, so there's quite a bit of material to wear down, and they should last quite a while. You can really bend them in any shape if need be. You can cut them to make them any size. And for something that is universal, they actually work very, very well. I'm actually really impressed with how well these things hold up. Now, I've seen some people have some resilience to these and say that they don't stick very well. Now, from my experience of installing them, the most important thing is to have the surface very, very clean. You can't have any sort of contaminants on the surface. And when you purchase these, they come with a set of automotive adhesion promoters. So these do a good job cleaning the surface and making it so that they will stick very well. And from my experience, as long as the surface is very, very clean and you use these, they stick very well and they hold on very strong and will not fall off. So all you really need to do when you put these on is just kind of test fit the area. You'll peel this tape off the back and then they will stick. And once they stick, they stay on there very well. So you don't have to tuck them too far back from your splitter or your bumper so you don't see them, especially with cars that are low to the ground. So I did 2 rows with mine, as you can see. The front row, I only had to tuck it in about 1/4 of an inch, and you can't see it standing in front of the car. I also have this rear section, and you can actually see the back of it actually has taken more damage than the front. So I do have some scrape on the back side here, so I'm glad I did 2 rows. I also did this all around the side of the splitter as well, and down the back. So these have held on very well. I have not had any problems with them drooping or coming off. And for a universal product, these work very well. People put these on all different types of cars, and this is definitely a inexpensive way and an easy way to protect your car if you're worried about front end damage, especially on cars that the bottom of the bumper is painted and might not have a splitter like the 350Rs do, and you're worried about causing a lot of expensive damage just from scraping driveways in various places when you're driving your car around. So I definitely recommend this. It was an easy install. I think I got a 2-box kit, and it came with tons and tons of those adhesion promoters, way more than I needed, so I was really impressed. They didn't cheapen out at all. They gave plenty of product. And I just had to test fit these things, cut them, stick them on, and they're doing their job very effectively. So if you're looking for an inexpensive, easy DIY solution to protect the lower end of your car, this is a great option. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.